Guys, welcome back to my channel. This drink I'm about to show you is the Grandmaster. We're going to be using some beetroots. I love boiling my beetroots. If you don't like taking beetroots, have you tried boiling them? So we've boiled these. We're going to be combining with all those fruits. I have some carrots, which are very rich in beta carotene, some pineapples, which are very rich in bromelain, the beetroots, and some ginger. So I'm just going to be juicing everything together. If you don't have a juicer, you can use a blender and then you just sieve it. So there's nothing too much in doing. Just grab all your ingredients, juice them. That beetroot is the game changer. If you're low on iron, you're low on energy, just blend or juice all these ingredients together. You see the carrots, the beetroot, those two are very good. That pineapple is just to have extra juice, but pineapple is also very good in itself. It helps for low iron, when you have low energy, when you just want like extra vitality. For those that have low blood pressure or you have high blood pressure, it helps to balance it all up. For high cholesterol, ditch the soda and start taking this. Even if you take it like 2 times a week, it will do your body a whole lot of good. So will you try this now? If you can't stand the taste of beetroot, try boiling your beetroots a bit, peel it, and then juice it accordingly. I hope this makes sense to you. Kindly subscribe and share. I'll see you in other videos. Bye.